you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you are happy, healthy, and doing okay. In today's video, I am sharing with you just a regular Sunday afternoon in my life. It is now Sunday at about 2:38 p.m. so pretty late in the afternoon. And to be honest, in the afternoon is when I kind of get my vibe to do things. I am not a morning person, and to be honest, by not a morning person, I mean I only feel life after midday, if I'm being honest. Is anybody else like that? Like, I cannot function before midday. Anyway, I'm taking you through an afternoon in my life today. I have so many things to get done. I hope that I can get through at least half of my to-do list. That was a mouthful. Oh my god. I hope I can get through majority of the stuff I have planned today. If not, that is okay too, because to be honest, I'm really tired and shit just gotta get done anyway. So yeah, if you're new here, welcome. I know I'm up close and personal right now because I'm like right in the mirror, but if you're new here, I'm so happy to have you. I do hope that you like what you see and that you will subscribe and join the fam. I would love to have you around here. Anyway guys, let's start this video. The very first experiment that I want to try in this video, you guys, are these magnetic eyelashes I bought on AliExpress. Now I have like no lashes, as you can see, like none. It's bare, and to be honest, your eyebrows and your lashes kind of bring up your face. Magnetic eyelashes have been around for a little bit and I want to just try it, so I said let me just try let me just experiment with these lashes with you guys. I'm about to fail so much because I cannot for the life of me put lashes on. I got these on AliExpress for about $3, and these are the lashes that came in the package. I am just going to follow the instructions here, which they say to just carefully draw a liner over your eye line. So I'm going to do that in the mirror. The mirror is right here. Guys, like, I feel ridiculous. Like, this is the job I did. Like, this is horrendous. I obviously need practice, but I am happy to report that the magnet stuck on there. Like, it really got stuck on there. No. I'm not going to do this today at all. Alright, so as you can see, that was an epic failure. I do not know what I'm doing when it comes on to lashes, so I'm just going to wait until I can do that another time when I have more time, maybe later in the afternoon. I have a bunch of stuff to do off my to-do list, and so we're going to start right now. I am starting with getting some clothes hung out on the line, and actually, no, you know what, I'm going to start cooking dinner first. I have already seasoned up the meat, so I'm going to be cooking some curry chicken and white rice this afternoon for dinner. So I'm going to set that on the pot, so while it's cooking I can do other things and people don't get hungry. Adam, he doesn't get hungry. Just kidding, but yeah, let us start cooking first. You guys, like a whole bunch of crap just happened in the space of 2 minutes a while ago. I cannot eat. I was in panic mode. Listen, I was putting the meat in the pot, and then while I have to be paying attention to the meat in the pot, my doorbell rang because I was getting a delivery, and it was a cash on delivery, so I had to find money to pay the delivery person. And then while doing that, the meat is around here needing water in the pot because then it's going to burn. And then when I come back around here, the whole kitchen is in smoke, the fire alarm is going off. Chaos. Like, I had to open the windows right here so the place can air out a bit. And of course, while I was putting the dishes away, as you guys would have seen in the clip, I had to rush and put some more water in the pot because I did not put the stove on medium. So a little chaotic already. But the next thing that I want to get done is to change our sheets. I usually try to change our sheets every single week on a Sunday, so that tonight when we get into bed it is nice and clean. Because comment down below if you agree with me, like there is nothing better than clean skin and clean sheets on a Sunday night when you're winding down for the week ahead and watching some Netflix. So we're going to change the sheets, and you guys, changing the sheets in this house is always so hectic because the duvet and the duvet cover, I hate them. But let's go.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him.
Alright, you guys, I just got done cleaning up the house a bit. I did not film that because this video is not like a clean with me video. It's more so showing you what the afternoon in my life looks like. But the house is put together for a Sunday afternoon. I currently have the rice cooking on the stove. The curry chicken was finished, and to be honest, there are days when I cook like a pro, and then there are days when the food does not come out that good, especially when I am busy doing other things in the house. And unfortunately today is one of those days. The curry chicken is good, it tastes good, but I did not have enough time to be paying attention to the pot, and so the color of the curry is more so of a brown than a yellow, which is fine. As long as it tastes good and it won't kill people, then that is good. But yeah, we are just wrapping up tidying up the house. And if you're wondering what Adam is doing, he is also cleaning. He is inside of his office putting his office together. He dealt with the garbage and he cleaned the toilet. So yeah, basically on Sunday it's a teamwork, make the dream work kind of thing. We separate chores all the time. It is nothing new to us, and we are very much aware of our tasks when it comes on to a Sunday, so none of us is in. We try to not be in each other's way when we are doing stuff. But I have some good news, you guys. Like, I got 2 deliveries today, and Oh my god, I'm so excited. These are the 2 boxes. I got 2 deliveries and I'm going to be opening them up with you guys. I am so happy because one of them is instant ramen, and if you know, you know that I cannot do without instant ramen, and the other is a box of green plantains. So let me just get a scissors and then we can get into the boxes and show you what's up. You guys, the plantains, it was me and one of my friends who made up to buy the plantains because they are so dang expensive. Like in Japan, anything you want to eat from like the West, you have to make your mind up to spend so much money. But in the end, we decided to put together, buy a box of plantains, and they only had green ones, so those are the ones I got. I personally love ripe plantains. Adam likes green plantains, so having all green plantains are coming in at a disadvantage to me, because I'll have to use the Jamaican or the Caribbean techniques to ripe these up, and it's going to be a task because the time is so cold. My house is freezing because there are no central heat inside of the apartments or anywhere, so it's gonna take a bit of a work to get these plantains to ripe up for me, but I'm sure Adam is going to enjoy his green plantains, and my friend, she only wants the green one, so of course she'll be happy too. But this is the box. I'm going to cut into the box and show you guys. So these are the plantains, you guys. 10 kilos of plantains, you guys, and they said it comes in about 25 fingers. In Jamaica, we call one of this a finger of plantain or a finger of banana. If it were bananas, it's like 25 of these. So we are going to share these equally between me and my friend, and then I'm going to ripe mine up. But to be honest, it is really good to have plantains of any sort in the house because it's been like so long since we had plantains, so I'm grateful for that. My friend is supposed to be stopping by this afternoon to collect her half of this, so yeah, when she comes we'll start that out. But they look good, right? They look healthy. They look really healthy, you guys. And in the second box we have some instant ramen. Let me show you. No, this is not what I ordered. This is not what I ordered. Oh my god, I hate when this happens because to return a box of shit is hard to do. I ordered soup ramen, not fried noodles. I'm going to have to like message the person right now because this is not what I ordered. And also I told them I wanted a Monday delivery, and today's Sunday and the box came. Oh boy. When this thing happens, because now I'm going to have to pack this box up and then resend it, and then they're going to have to send me back something, and I hate when that happens. Jeez guys, you know what, we have to just try to not get upset about this, but I hate when people do this. And I know stuff happens, but oh my god, the fact that it was supposed to be delivered tomorrow and it came today, I should have known that I was going to be disappointed. And I was looking forward to drinking some instant ramen tonight, but whatever. I actually have some other work stuff to get done. I need to plug a new video into the editing software, kind of decide what the next video is going to be for this week, because in February I'm taking a break. It's currently January when I'm filming this. I hope you guys get to see this video soon. But yeah, I'm going to be doing some work on my computer now, so let the time lapse of getting work done begin. It's sample time.
Where you mommy there, son?
Come now.
Yeah. Me dirty.
Take off your pants. Guys, I'm having like the weirdest evening ever. By the way, dinner is ready, so this is how the yellow of the curry chicken came out way darker than I would want, but you know what, it happens sometimes. As long as it tastes good, it's fine. I heard back from the ramen shop, and they basically said that it was their mistake, so they're going to resend the box of what I ordered, and I can keep all of those fried ramen. Now, I usually eat fried ramen in my own way. Never tried those, so I'm interested, but it's like 40 pieces per box. So now I'm going to have 40 ramen, soup ramen, and then 40 fried noodles. Like, oh my god, I'll be pooping ramen for at least 3 months. OMG. Anyway, I'm glad that that is sorted out. I am currently trying to order merch, you guys, because as I said, my merch is coming soon. In order to do that, I need to order some samples for myself so I can show it to you guys, test out the quality and all of that stuff. And I'm trying to order some merch, and it is not going through. I don't know. I just got my Japanese credit card, and I think it is giving a whole lot of trouble, so I gotta brainstorm that. But I'm going to take a break, eat some food, and then get back to work. Adam is currently in his office eating.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You guys, so like 32 plantains came in the box, so we split it 16-16. This is for my friend. That's for me, and there's my friend. Say hi in the comments down below, guys. She speaks Spanish. So good, and French.
And English.
And English.
Just in case.
Yeah, so this is what we got going on. To be honest, you guys, you are not going to believe me if I told you that like hours have passed and I did not get everything that I wanted to get done today. So I'm going to have to continue this video into tomorrow. I did not want that because I wanted it to be a Sunday evening in the life, but it's just going to be 2 days or 2 evenings in my life type video. I am still in the clothes that I had on from today, and it is midnight right now. Tomorrow is work, so I gotta just get a shower and start winding down for bed. But the reason why I didn't get much done was because my friend came over, and of course when your friend comes over, you spend a whole lot of hours chatting. So that is why I did not get to finish doing what I had to do today. But that is okay, because you know what, at least we have friends in this city. We did not have none in Miyagi, and we are grateful. So I'll see you guys tomorrow to continue the stuff that I had to do today. Hey guys, it's me again. Good night. Well, it's night for me now, and it is the next day. It is Monday afternoon. I just came in from work and had a shower and washed up a few dishes from breakfast. Adam is just getting in, so he's kind of putting himself together for, you know, the regular night routine. So I did the breakfast dishes so that cooking dinner is easier, because who wants to cook dinner in a dirty kitchen, you know what I mean? So yeah, bunch of stuff to do tonight that I did not get to do yesterday, as I said. But I did get a package delivered, and I'm supposed to be getting food delivered also between the hours of 6 and 8. So I'm also waiting on that. But I got a little package that I want to open with you guys. It is nothing fussy, to be honest, but you know, let's open the package together. It is really just a notebook, and I cannot burst into this plastic. I need something to open it. Hold please. We have a bunch of stuff that I need to finish that I didn't do last night, and also me and Adam need to sit down and make our budget for the month, because today is payday and the house flow has to go on. So we need to sit down and do that sometime tonight. Usually we do grocery shopping on a Monday afternoon, but because the delivery is going to be coming between 6 and 8, we didn't want to risk it, because we come in like at 5, and who knows how long we'll take in the grocery store, to be honest. This is Japan and we don't know what we want to eat, so we decided to just skip grocery until tomorrow. So yeah guys, it's just a hardcover notebook. I bought this book specifically to write down my goals. On my to buy list I wanted just a book to write down my goals and track my goals, like 5-year goals, 10-year goals, stuff that I want to achieve within my personal brand. And otherwise I wanted a specific book to write that down in, because usually all I do is just write them down in my other notebooks that I have where everything is. So I wanted a designated goals book per se. So I bought this on Amazon Japan for 1200 yen, 1200 yen, and it's just a simple notebook. It's ruled just like a notebook where I can just write all my goals and stuff. So yeah, that's the exciting package. All right, we got the goods. We got the goods. So I am going to dig into this box. It's supposed to be some fish, some mutton, some basmati rice, and what else? I don't even know, but let's dig into the box. Got some basmati rice, got some mutton, no fish. Did not get the fish. I wonder why. I was especially looking forward to the fish, you guys, because I eat mutton all the time. Did not get the fish for some reason, but they deducted it because the total I was given on the receipt to pay, that is not what I just paid. So I was wondering why the decrease, but obviously they don't have the fish, it seems, so they minused whatever that cost. I'm a bit disappointed. It's like from I started this vlog, things have just been going wrong, you guys. Like nothing in this vlog has been positive, like from the ramen to no the fish, and I was really looking forward to roasting some fish. The next thing I want to do is to actually scrape out the freezer, because frost, like all of this bottom that you're seeing here is like ice. So I need to like punch something, like I don't know, like this is the worst purchase ever. I hate a fridge that makes ice in the freezer that I do not set. Hate it. So I'm going to try to break out a little bit of it and put the meat away.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our...
By the way, and for everybody who is going to come at me for actually doing this while the fridge is plugged in, don't. I know that the ideal way is to like defrost the whole fridge and then let everything melt out and then deal with that, but ain't nobody got time for that, okay?
There is nothing in between, so baby we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life, one lifetime. So baby we should start living now. Baby we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds.
Alright you guys, and that is it. This is what the freezer is now looking like, you guys. Less ice everywhere because it's frosted and things can actually hold in the freezer. So yeah, Adam is making green plantains over here. Chef Adam in his Korea shirt. Tell the vlog where you get your shirt from.
Can't multitask, man. I tell you. Multitask food burn up.
So you guys tell me in the comments, what type of plantain person are you? Are you team green plantains or are you team ripe plantains? Clearly Adam is a green plantain person. I am a ripe plantain person. So as a matter of fact, I got some newspapers in the box of food that we just got delivered. I'm going to wrap up a few of these plantains and try to get them ripened because I don't enjoy green plantains as much. They're too tough. It's just too much. Ripe plantain stuff, nice. The flavor is right, all of that thing. So what do people normally pair green plantains with? Like egg? Fried egg. Oh. Well guys, that is what we're having for dinner tonight. Fried green plantains and fried eggs. Talk about lunch tomorrow, we don't have none of that, but I think we'll figure it out by tomorrow. After Adam finishes cooking, he's going to have a class, and then we're going to sit down and do the budget. In the meantime, I'm going to be doing some work on my computer because I do need to finish editing a video that is going to go up on Wednesday. So yep, I'm going to have to make my own eggs because Adam has a class and yada yada yada. So I hate cracking eggs, you guys. Like, it is the worst thing for me. It is the worst thing for me. I absolutely hate cracking eggs. This calls for another conversation with you guys. Do you also hate cracking eggs? Watch me fail at cracking eggs, you guys. Ah! My goodness gracious me. Well, at least these crack actually okay-ish. Usually I do not crack them this well, and I'd usually have to take eggshells from out of there. I just wash my hands, you guys, because if you're from Jamaica or even the Caribbean, then you know the white stuff in the egg, it has to come out. They call it, well, growing up they call it the eye of the egg, and basically we don't cook with it. This is what it looks like. So I don't know if the camera is even focusing on this. Is it? But guys, look how disgusting that look. Like ew. Alright, so if you are one of those persons who just crack your eggs straight out of the shell and into a pot and eat it, I'm sorry, but I would not eat from you, because that is just gross to me. Because like, look at this white stuff. Ew. It's like a piece of the chicken. I mean, eggs in general are crawny, but where I was raised, you take this stuff out. So I cannot be one of those persons who just crack egg straight into a pot and fry it. Like, no. And I understand that the cliche-ness towards it, or I don't even know if I'm using the word cliche right, but basically when you boil the egg, you're boiling all of this white stuff in it just the same. You're not taking it out, and we eat boiled egg without a problem. So I don't really know what to say, but this is how I was raised to do it, so this is how I'm doing it. So let's fry this egg up. But first, let's put some seasoning there. We have some salt. Yes, ma'am. Black pepper. Yes, ma'am. A little cayenne pepper. Yes, ma'am. whoa. So the previous story that you guys said I have the whoa under the bottom, this is exactly how I'm saying it. Whoa. Because food nice. Hey you guys, I'm currently working on a video. Today is what, Monday, and this video goes live on Wednesday, so I'm currently editing it. That is what I'm up to. But then after this, of course, I have other things to do, and it's already after 10 p.m. so I swear the days go by so fast. Like, I cannot get nothing done before my bedtime is creeping up at me, and then I can't go to bed because I have stuff to do, and then by the time I look, it's like 1 a.m. in the morning and work the next day. But I'm just going to be here chilling, doing some work, you guys. I'm going to end the vlog here for today. I do hope that you enjoyed seeing 2 afternoons in my life. If you like this kind of video, of course, let me know in the comment box down below. Like this video if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. You guys, we're almost at a family of 1,000. I am so excited. I'm so happy for all of you that are here. Until next time, bye guys.
So back to what I was saying. Could be